Chrysler here. Hello. And I am here at Fort Collins Dodge Chrysler Jeep, and we are looking at the Diehl and Doug Certified Advantage program today. This is a 2011 Chrysler 300, and it fits the bill for our Diehl and Doug Certified Advantage program. And what that means is a car can go 3 years, 100,000-mile warranty on the powertrain. And, like, what I really think is cool is that, so you break down and you have this program which costs you nothing. You get to get your towing reimbursed. Wow. So you can get it towed back to the dealership. Plus, if it's going to take a while to get it fixed, a rental car up to 10 days. So you know what? Come in to Fort Collins Dodge Chrysler Jeep, because only here is where we have this beautiful 300 Chrysler product and Diehl and Doug Certified Advantage program. See ya. Bye-bye now.